Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a boat in Roblox Studio. So if first you need to have your map set up. So if you don't know how to get the water I'm using right here, you just need to go on the terrain editor. And it should be like this, and then click on generate. And it's usually like this. So you'd want to uncheck these and check water and then press generate. And that will generate some water. And so now you can go ahead and make your boat. I'm going to make a really simple model. And now I have my boat. After you're done, you need to press CTR plus G at the same time to group your model and add a vehicle seat inside your model. Now place the vehicle seat on top of the boat. So if you have a much bigger boat that uses a lot of parts, then you should use this as the bottom part of your boat. So and I'm going to name it body, and you'd want to add a angular velocity, body force, and a attachment. Now go inside the angular velocity and go scroll down to the properties and scroll down, and inside attachments make attachment 0 this attachment right here. After you got that, the boat is basically complete. You just need to script it, so add a vehicle script to the vehicle seat. So local seat equals script parent, and seat changed. So this will get the input of the player by checking the properties of the vehicle seat. So seat parent body angular velocity equals vector free new 0 minus 1 times seat there, and then 0. So what this does is it rotates the boat. And so now if I press my A key, oh wait, I forgot. Go into body, go into angular velocity, go inside the properties, and change the max torque to a high number like 100,000. So the bigger your boat, the higher the number this should be. So now if you test this, if I press the D key on my keyboard, it will move right and the A key moves left. So now my boat can rotate, but it can't move, or it can't go straight or back. So in order to do this, you need to do seat parent body force, and then force equals seat C frame look vector times 5,000, I'd say. So this number should be higher if your boat is bigger and lower if your boat is smaller. And then times seat throttle. So now if you test it again, your boat should move. And as you can see, it moves perfectly fine. The problem is that if it goes on land, the boat can still rotate. So if you want your boat not to rotate on land like this, then I'll show you another step to do for it to fix this, because it's kind of unrealistic. Most boats don't do that in real life. So local ray equals workspace raycast, and do it seat parent body of the vehicle position, and then seat parent body position minus vector phi new 0 1 0. So this will point downwards from the body. So the middle is right here. It'll point downwards. And if it detects water, it will go perfectly fine. But if it doesn't, that means it's not on water anymore. So it will not rotate the angular velocity thing. So if ray and ray material is not equal to enum material water, then seat parent body angular velocity and then max torque equals 0. And then you want to add another if statement. If ray and ray material is equal to enum material water, then seat parent body angular velocity max torque equals 100,000. So I'm using 100,000 because that's the default max torque. So basically, if the boat's not on water anymore, it's not going to apply force to rotate it, and it'll apply 0 torque, so the boat won't rotate. But if it is on water, then it'll put it back to 100,000. So it'll have 100,000 torque and it'll rotate. So if you test this and go on the land, so right now I'm on land, and now if I press my A or D key, it doesn't rotate, which is good, which is what I want it to do. So yeah, basically that's how you make a boat in Roblox Studio, and I hope you guys found it simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.